Okay, I need you to write down these rules. So let's have you write them down and let me talk about them. When you see the little, or the small, sorry, the little or the small, so 2 plus 4, 6. When you see parentheses, you multiply. All right, so let's start with number 1. So I see a 9, so I write a 9. But now I see this, so I go this plus this. And 9 plus 5 is 14. So I used this rule to get that answer. Now let's do this one. Okay. Now for this, when I have 6, I go times 3, so that would be 18. So I want you to go, and I want you to write this down, multiply the big, add the little. So these are little, this is big. And now what do I do for this one? I go -5. Wait, hold on, does that say -5? I think it's -8. -8 plus -7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. And -15. But there's a problem because it says only positive exponents. So what you do is this is good. So this is good, so it stays. And then this goes to the bottom and turns positive. So because of this, it moves to the bottom. Okay, I think I'm going to get my glasses on. Okay, let's go to the next one. So, multiply the bigs. So let me circle that in blue. 6. Then I look at my h's. H squared, add them up. H4. And then I look and I have j -4, j2. So I have -4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Boom. J -2. And then I have -3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I have nothing. So I don't put it. Now the problem is they want positive exponents. So I take this, then I move it to the bottom. Everything else stays. Done. Okay, let's go to the next one. I see the 4. Good. I see y. There's 1 here and 0 here. So 1 plus 0, 1. Then I see 4 z's plus 2 z's, 6 z's. And then it's x to the 0. Well, that means I don't have any. And then my answer is 4y, positive. Yep. Z6. Okay. Now, when I have parentheses, I multiply. 2 multiply 4. So I have parentheses. And 0 times 3 is 0. And anything to the 0 power, anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay? All right. I'm going to make this a positive 2. Okay, make that a positive 2. So, when I see parentheses, I multiply. Let me make that a little bit bigger. So 3 squared, x squared. Now 3 squared means 3 times 3, which is 9x squared. Let's do the same thing here when I have parentheses. Multiply, multiply. So 4 squared x, 6 times 2, 12. Now, 4 squared means 4 times 4. So that's 16x to the 12th. Okay. Let me do the next one. When I see parentheses, what do? I multiply n to the negative 7. But they want positive exponents. So this moved to the bottom. This moved to the bottom. So now this has got to move to the bottom. But there's nothing up there, so you have to put a 1. So you cannot have negative exponents. Okay? Now, when we're doing number 17, this time I see divide. Okay? That means divide. So, 9 goes into 45 5 times. Okay? I have 10 of these, so let me kind of show you. Let's see, how can I do this? So I have 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Boom. I have 4 more here. And I have the 5 on the bottom. Okay? All right. This is hard, I know. Number 19. Uh-oh. I see negatives. I don't like, I want positive. So it moves. What did it do? It moves to the bottom. So now this becomes 10, 8, and 7. Now this goes to the bottom. And now this one divide by 2. This one divide by 2. So then it becomes 5, 4. And then I have, what do? Add them. And there's my answer. This isn't easy, I know. Okay. Now let's do this one. Uh-oh. Negative goes to the bottom. Negative on the bottom goes to the top. So now I have 6ac squared b to the 5th. 3, nope, that moved here, c4 b squared. Okay, so now I look, that's 2, and then I'll go like this. 2a, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, c squared, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, boom, B3. Okay. This one. Uh-oh. This needs to go to the top. And then I have 14. X, Y, 8, Z squared, X, 4, 2. That moved there. Y, 5, Z, 4. Now, 14 divided 2, 7. So now I go like this, 7. So I have 1x, and 4 of them, that makes 5. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y cubed. And then now my z's, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. The z is on the bottom. Okay? This was definitely a lot. I understand. All of this is going to be your homework. And that's your homework, okay?